From a 3:5 solution of a milk and water, 20% is taken out and is replaced by the milk. So we have a solution that is divided in the ratio 3/5, so that can be a multiple of 8, and here we have a multiple of 25, so we can take a number that is a multiple of 25 as well as a multiple of 8. So let's assume that quantity of solution is equal to 200. Why? Because it's a multiple of 8, 3 plus 5, and a multiple of 25 as well, which is 17 plus 8. Now, so the solution of milk and water, that has to be divided in the ratio of 3/5. So initial solution has milk and water, and milk will be equal to 3 out of 8 parts of 200. That means 75, and the water will be 125. 20% of it is taken out and is replaced by the milk. How many times should this process be done so that the milk and water ratio is 17:8? Now, so after the replacements, let's quickly understand what is the quantity of milk and water. So milk is 17 multiplied by 8, and this is 8 multiplied by 8 because it's been repeated, replaced again and again by milk. So 80 and 56, 136 and 64. So initial quantity of milk is 75, final quantity of milk is 136. Now we can quickly start focusing on the water. Now the water is changing from 125 liters in 200 liters to 64 liters in 200 liters, right? Now from our concept videos, we can see that there is one property, that the water left in the solution divided by the original quantity of water is given by 1 minus x over 100 raised to the power n, where n is the number of replacements and x is the quantity being replaced, right? So we are going to simply plug in, play with these values. So here the water left finally is equal to 64. Water initially that we had was 125, and that's going to be equal, and here x is 20%, so 20 over 100 raised to the power n. Now we just have to simplify this. 64 over 125 is equal to 80 over 100 to the power n, and this can further be simplified as 64 over 125 is equal to 4 over 5 raised to the power n. But 64 over 125 is also equal to 4 over 5 cube, and this is equal to 4 over 5 to the power n. Since the bases are same, the comparison of exponent gives us that n has to be 3. That means after 3 replacements, the final amounts are obtained as are given in the question. So answer to the question must be option C. I hope you enjoyed the learning. Thank you so much for watching the video.